subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new affordable smartphone under G series in China called Vivo G2, with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo G2 features a 6.56-inch HD+ display, with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter, with f1.8 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera set at the top left corner that includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the unspecified anti-stroboscopic sensor. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4, 6, or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, based on Origin OS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.74 by 75.43 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo G2 5G has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,199 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 1,499 Chinese yuan. And the 8GB plus 128GB storage variant is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,899 Chinese yuan. The smartphone will be available for purchase in the country in single deep space black color option. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo G2 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.